Imagine this. On one side, the world's most powerful military forces, America and Israel, armed with advanced fighter jets, billion-dollar missiles, and the most sophisticated air defense systems on Earth. But standing against all of that power is a tiny weapon that costs less than an ordinary car. Yes, you heard that right. This small weapon is slowly changing the entire equation of modern warfare. Because while it takes million-dollar missiles to stop it, the drone itself costs only a few $1,000s. This mysterious weapon is called the Shahed 136 Kamikaze drone. This is not just an ordinary drone. It loiters in the sky, searching for its target, and at the perfect moment, it strikes like lightning. And here's what makes it even more terrifying. Its sound. A strange noise, almost like a scooter. And the moment people hear it, they know something is coming. This drone flies at around 200 kilometers per hour and can travel up to 2,000 kilometers. It uses GPS and smart navigation systems, allowing it to hit targets with precision. But the real game begins when hundreds of these drones take to the sky at once. Even the most advanced air defense systems start to feel the pressure. Because on one side, you have cheap drones, and on the other, it takes million-dollar missiles to destroy them. And this is how modern warfare is changing. Not with sheer power, but with strategy, intelligence, and low-cost innovation shaping the future.